Think about ways to rebuild yourself. And avoid becoming too dependent on the opposite sex and becoming addicted. If you don't receive enough love as a child, you often end up relying too much on the opposite sex as an adult. Sometimes you end up wasting money. I've become addicted to things like alcohol, cigarettes, and games to an unusual degree. Let's talk about how to deal with such situations. First of all, it's important to take care of your mental health. Consulting with a specialist, counseling or psychotherapy to help you sort through painful past events may help. Also, immersing yourself in things you like, sports, and hobbies can help you discover yourself. Relationships are also important. It's a good idea to cherish your connections with your friends and family. And try to build relationships where you can help each other. In a romantic relationship, aim for a partnership where there is mutual respect. How you spend your money is also important. It's also a good idea to save money and reconsider how you spend your money. Information is also important, and to protect yourself from fraud and malicious activities. Take care of reliable information. Finally, it is important to know about your own mental health. Getting advice and information from experts can help you find your own happiness. Try these ideas and find your own happiness. Taking care of yourself is the most important thing. First, accept yourself and stop dwelling on the past. It's important to accept yourself. It's also a good idea to get support from experts. It takes courage to talk about your concerns during counseling or psychotherapy, but they can help you. Also try increasing your self-confidence. In order to have confidence in yourself, it is important to accumulate success experiences and make use of what you are good at. Take care of healthy relationships with friends and family. Having fun together can make you stronger. If you feel stressed, try ways to reduce stress by relaxing, meditating, or walking, for example. Learn new things and grow yourself. Picking up a new hobby or learning a skill can be fun and boost your self-confidence. Finally, it's important to seek out positive friends and support systems. The people around you will be on your side and help you become stronger. Enjoy your growth. What do you do when you don't have that kind of energy? It happens to everyone when they don't feel well. In such a case, you may be able to refresh your mood and regain your energy by using the following methods. Rest and relax. The most important thing is to give yourself some rest. Reading your favorite book, listening to your favorite music, or trying meditation or yoga may help you relax. Be kind to yourself. Try being kind to yourself for a while. It's important to accept your feelings and not blame yourself. Connect with friends. Spending time with friends is a great way to recharge. Even when you're not in the mood, talking to your friends can sometimes brighten your mood. Exposure to nature. Exposure to nature, whether it's a walk in nature, relaxing in a park, or gazing at the stars, can help refresh your mind. Gratitude. Having an attitude of gratitude can restore positive energy. Think of something to be grateful for every day. Try something new. You may find new excitement and fun by trying a new hobby or activity. Professional support. If your mood persists for a long time and affects your daily life, it's important to consider professional counseling. The important thing is to find a method that suits you. In order to regain your energy, it's important to face your emotions without rushing and take care of yourself.